Are you going to be able to play games with me this weekend?
Not if he doesn't get these videos done, especially the 30-day series.
Boss has spoken.
Yep. If he gets done with the videos.
I mean, if
Oh, no, he will get done with the videos.
Put out a post about control panel building, and it brought up some really good questions. This is the trainer that I use down at the training center, but I'm going to think I need more. So I'm looking at building a new trainer for down here that would really go into industrial controls. Obviously, we have buttons, switches, lights, reverse and motor starter with an overload. What would you add to this trainer?
My fundraiser's done. I'm exhausted.
It was fun, though. Yeah, I mean, that was a great time. Well, it was a great time for me. All I had to do was hang out.
People should go to my Facebook page to check out my outfit.
Facebook page? What is that?
I didn't put this on LinkedIn. I should.
Yeah, you should have. Shouldn't Amber get more active on LinkedIn? Wouldn't y'all like to see her over there? Getting ready to do some more Studio 5000 videos, so any ideas you have, feel free to reach out to me. All right, well, there it is.
Is it up and running?
Yeah. Why are people behind you? It's been like 15 seconds.
So today we're launching our 30 days to a Better PLC Programmer.
I haven't even been through it yet. I hope it's good. Amber went through it.
It is very good. Why aren't you using this one? It's fine. We'll save this one for another day.
Well, what is this one?
The older one. The older one, and then this is the new one like you like.
I know. So, I mean, rotation-wise, should we use this one first?
It's spicy. We can use it another time. It's fine.
You're spicy enough.
Please hurry up and feed me. I'm starving.
You didn't get what he just said? Did you see?
No, what did he say?
You're spicy enough.
We have bread too. Oh, it can go in the microwave.
But then it won't be burnt the way you and Wendell like it.
So should we microwave it first and then put it in the oven?
What is that, a compromise that we were both happy?
I don't want it burnt. I want it crispy.
It's burnt.
It's not burnt.
Yes,
burnt
it
is
is.
when it's black.
When is bread burnt? When it's black? Or just when it's crunchy and just keeps growing in your mouth every time you chew it?
Done yet?
Go! Leave me! Oh.
Have you hugged me?
Ah.
Look, world, we do love each other. What face did you make?
I didn't make any face.
This bull. What did he do? Michael, what'd you do today?
I took 3 tests.
Ew.
Today was also the day that the essay was due. I turned it in already.
Oh, like on time.
Before on time.
Wait.
Man, I mean,
Let's have a moment.
yeah. And what's really cool is, you know, I bet you your grade will be so much better because you didn't get a late penalty. It's so cool.
Or it wasn't missing.
Oh.
It's missing.
We won't have red text to look at. Enough with the schoolwork. Anything fun happened this week?
Anything fun.
I took a nap.
What?
I had a lot of things to do today. Instead, I took a nap.
Wendell,
What?
what you been doing today?
You had a lot of things to do today,
And then,
but instead you took a nap.
yeah.
Did you go to school today?
No.
You skipped school?
Wendell,
Not skip school. I didn't feel good. I was
well, where were you today?
here.
How come I didn't see you all day?
Because you were at the PLC lab.
Oh,
Why were you at the PLC lab, Tim?
I was crossing the I's and dotting the T's on the 30 Days to a Better PLC Programmer series, which is done.
Woo!
Go sign up.
He said crossing the I's and dotting the T's.
Heck yeah. And know what we do?
No, you cross the T's and dot the I's.
Whatever. We kick names. Take it.
I'm very proud of you. You did really good this week. You got things done.
Who are you talking to, Wendell?
You.
Yes. You told me I had to get the things done or I wouldn't be able to play games with the kids.
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I hear you. Crap, how do I get out of the bus again?
Spacebar.
I'm coming. Go towards the blue mark, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, Michael, there's people shooting at me! Where are you?
I'm coming. I gotta collect some loot first.
Wendell, I need help! Come here! Oh my goodness!
What?
People are shooting at me!
Aim!
I am aiming!
No, you're not. No, aim at the person.
I am aiming!
You're not getting a clear shot at him. You need to aim at him.